guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kanisha, and today we're going to do an unboxing. If this is your first time stumbling upon my channel, I focus on fashion, luxury, and all things beautiful. So for Christmas, my husband purchased me a micro Matisse. I knew right away that I was not going to keep that bag. As adorable as it is not functional. It just makes no sense to me or my lifestyle. So I decided to return that item, and I was able to get 2 items. So I'm so excited I did that because I was able to get this. It's not a true unboxing. I have the receipt, little ribbon, and I was able to get the double zip pouch in the imprint. I've seen another video with this one. I see a lot with the monogram print. I don't own any imprint items, so I wanted to get this little piece. I think it's beautiful. It's simple. I think it's something that you can get a lot of wear out of, and that's what I want. I have way too many monogram pieces, and I like this piece because I can carry it on vacation if I don't want to carry any really big bags, but I need something that can actually fit items. This is the perfect size if I go to an amusement park or just any activities with my children. I think that this is like the perfect size. I think you can wear it to a wedding, special functions. I just feel like this is just a good piece. And at the price point, I think this is a good price point. I believe it costs the same, I want to say it costs the same amount as the monogram print, and this is a leather piece, so I think this is more bang for your buck, and I'm just so excited to wear this little piece. I already purchased a chain for it so it can have a little dangle just to make it look a little bit more special. Just for anyone who's not familiar with the bag, it has 2 pouches, one on each side. This side has a card hold, like a little slots for your cards, and then you have another side, and it's just open. It's an open space. So I think this I'm gonna get a lot of use out of on the weekends and when I do activities with my children. And it's just a simple, I don't know why I'm so excited about this simple bag. I think it's probably because I have so many bags that are not really everyday bags. They're more like getting dressed up, which is more of my style anyway. But I feel like this little pouch, as simple as it is, you can dress it up or dress it down. I can see myself wearing this even to a wedding as a little clutch, and just having the little chain that I purchased just dangle. I think it's just, I don't know, I really like this. I'm excited about this little pouch. And I just think it's comparable to, I have my Chanel walk right here. I think it's comparable to how I would use my Chanel walk. Of course, this is lambskin. It's silver hardware, so I think this is a good interchangeable bag if I don't want to wear silver hardware and I don't want to have the delicate lambskin. Even though this bag I've had since before I got this bag when I got pregnant with my son. He'll be 10 in June. So this bag is almost 11 years old, and I don't see any identifiable scratches or anything on it, although it is lambskin. And I don't baby it, and I do wear it, and I wore it tons when I was pregnant and even after I was pregnant with my son, because I couldn't really carry anything heavy. And that's another reason why I wanted to get this bag, because I feel like it suits the same need but at a fraction of the price. And I don't have any small bags this size that has gold hardware, so that's why I was like, I'm gonna get this, and I know that I'll get a lot of wear of it. It goes with my aesthetics. I have a lot of gold, so I know that I will get a lot of use out of this. This is a video of how I style this cute little pouch, how I dress it up, how I dress it down. I'm just so excited. I purchased a chain, and I'm just so excited to just mix and match and just wear it in so many different ways. Like I said, it's so simple, but yeah, I feel like you can really get a lot of use out of this little pouch. So moving on to my next item. So the next item that I picked up, I've been wanting some sunglasses from Louis Vuitton for a while. I'm just in need of sunglasses just in general. So I decided just get some sunglasses. I have my eyes set on a particular pair, but when I went to the boutique, it was out of stock. I'm gonna show you the ones that I wanted to get. So these are the ones, is it focusing? Oh. These are the ones that I wanted to get. These are very popular. These are very popular right now. They have the square one as well, but I wanted the cat eye ones. Like a moment, and I didn't know how long it was gonna be out of stock, so I was like, let me just get some sunglasses. So, comes with a little booklet. And it comes in a blue box, and it has a little soft pouch if you want to carry this big box, which I probably would never carry that. It's huge, takes up a lot of space. So here are my new sunglasses. My husband actually picked these out. He said that these look simple. They're doesn't really command too much attention. Like, you won't really know it's Louis Vuitton unless you see the little side detail right here. It says Louis Vuitton right here, and it has a little Louis Vuitton flower on there, which I love. I actually love sunglasses that are a little bit more discreet. That's more my style. I just feel like as I get older, I don't really need that pow in your face, even though when I put them on, honey. Who's that girl? Who is this girl? Like, I love these sunglasses. They're so fire. I just like that they're simple. And like I said, if you don't know Louis Vuitton, you don't know the little flowers, you have no idea until I go like this. And you see that they're Louis Vuitton. So I am so excited to wear these sunglasses because they're gorgeous. I think they match my my style. I love it. So guys, that concludes the 2 items that I exchanged and got, and I'm so excited that I got these 2 pair. I think that they go well together, especially in the summer when I'm on the go with my kids. This is so easy to just grab these sunglasses, and it has the gold hardware just like the back. So yeah, I think they're a perfect match, and I'm super excited. So thank you for watching my video. Hope this video was helpful. I'm going to put the links down below with the information of both my items, the bag and the sunglasses, just in case if someone is interested in these sunglasses. I think these are so nice. I love them. Love them. I think they're mature. They're just chef's kiss. Thank you for watching. Bye.